Hey guys, it is me, the Before You Buy guy. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Samsung wireless charger PG950. Whenever you buy a wireless charger, you're usually faced with a problem. Do you buy a charger that is flat? You can place your phone straight down on the flat charger, or do you buy a phone charger that's going to be able to sit up so that you can look at notifications on your phone while your charger is charging? It's a hard choice, but now you don't have to choose. With this Samsung charger, you can charge your phone whether it's flat or upright. I've been doing the product research and checking out all the latest reviews for this Samsung wireless charger. Stick around. Well, here it is guys, you've got the Samsung wireless fast charger PG950. Any device that supports Qi charging will be able to be charged by this charger, which is really convenient. Most of the modern phones from Apple and Samsung do support this. So if you've got one of these in your house and your friends come over, they can plonk their phone on there and charge the device. Now this phone charger is meant to be fast charging. I do think that's a bit misleading. Wireless charging is not as fast as wired charging. I'm sure the technology is advancing, but we definitely aren't at the point where it's faster to charge or as fast to charge your phone wirelessly as it is to charge it by plugging it in. Having the convenience of being able to charge your product wirelessly, the sacrifice that you're making is it's going to be a slower charge. And it actually says it right there on the charging pad. It says fast charging. When you think about fast charging and how fast charging can be, wireless fast charging doesn't really compare. Being plugged into the power will almost certainly always provide you with a faster charge, especially if you use the manufacturer's own charging cable. I love wireless chargers and I use them all the time. It's just so convenient. You're sitting there at your desk, you plonk your phone down, starts charging, you can pick it up, start using it again. Now let's have a look at some of the features of this device. So this device is around about 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. It's a circle, and it sits around 3 centimeters high. So it is a lot larger than many of the other fast charging wireless charging pads that you can buy. They're quite thin and they don't take up a lot of space. Now with this charger, you are getting a convertible charger, so you can sit it up as a stand or down as a flat charger. The sacrifice for that is it is thicker. Let me know in the comments below if you think it's worth having that extra thickness to allow you to convert from being flat or upright charging. I'll show you now what it looks like to charge this device flat or upright. Now you can charge this phone through your case, but not a thick case. So if you've got one of the default cases that comes with a Samsung phone, it probably will work with this charger. But if you get a thick case that's aftermarket or like a phone wallet, it's just not going to work. It's going to be way too thick. You won't be able to charge your phone. One of the things I really do like about this Samsung charger is the material that is around the edge of the device to it, and it looks very much like PU leather, but in reality it's not. I don't think it is leather, but it certainly has that appearance, and I think it's very stylish. I really like the way it looks, and that was one of the main reasons I purchased this. Now sometimes it can be difficult to get your phone to charge in the exact right spot with this charger. You have to plonk your phone pretty much in the middle in order to initiate the charging. Now, in addition to having a nice grippy surface at the top of this device, it also has a rubbery grip at the bottom of the charger. This rubber texture will help this stay in one place even if you have a slippery desk. To plug this in, you're going to need a USB-C cable. You can use the one that comes with your phone, but it's worth mentioning, that it doesn't come with a USB-C cable. You do either have to use the one that came with your phone or buy a separate cable. There's a blue indicator light here on the charger that'll show you once you're charging your phone. Now it has a slightly different color depending on whether you're getting that fast charge or not. And when I say fast charge, again, we're talking about wireless fast charging. Let's take a look at what some of the reviewers have to say about this device. Having a look at the Google reviews, 3.8 stars out of 34 reviews. This first review had me a little bit confused. He's given it 5 stars and then proceeded to mainly complain about the product. I'm not sure where that 5-star reviews come from. Another 5-star review here: works amazingly well, stunning to boot. 2 stars, unreliable. 5 stars, perfect. This review here, this 1-star review, looks more like a complaint for Best Buy. 2 stars, does not charge well. 2 stars, not really impressed. Works well with the LG G6. 1 star, poor quality. I mean, these reviews, they certainly are a mixed bag. You've got some positive reviews and some negative reviews. So, given how many mixed reviews this has, I think it's fair to say you probably could find a better wireless charger than this one, and it may even come at a cheaper price. The main benefits and positive attributes are it does have a unique look, and the versatility of being able to charge on a wireless pad or standing upright is definitely a big plus here. Ultimately, this is a functional and well-made wireless Qi charger. If you like the look of it and you just want to have an option to charge your phone in different ways, could be a good device for you. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.